We are going to see here best hosting. You will love hosting. Content box background color, you can set the different type of color of this content. You can also set the icon for this heading, look like this use this, but we are going to add some icon, search icon like internet, because our product is relevant with internet. We are going to add this signal for this. Flip icon default, rotation icon default, you can rotate the icon, different type of icon. Spinning icon, you can spin. Icon color, you can select the icon color also. We are going to use this color. Pink is, yellow is best. Icon background color pink, this, and the white is background for this color. Icon background inner border, no. There are different settings are available. You can well enjoy these settings. You can set the different type of settings, and you will be enjoy after this settings. Wait please. Wait please. This is the content that are written here, look like here. We are going to edit this. We are providing best hosting SER services in the world. Using the latest technology and latest hardware, and provide best solution for our customers. I am going to save this, again save this, and again update this. System will be take few seconds to update this. Wait please, system will be redirect this. We again check which type of changes occur in our system. That's great. We are last time setting of this best hosting company, and this is our paragraph, this is our icon color. Now we are going to change this heading style and designs. This is our, you can set here title, this we can set background color here. Background color is white, and but at this time background color is not white. Let's see. Box background color, we are no set the background color. I am going to set this, save, and after this is our second paragraph. Heading size H1, I mean to main size. You can also set the your manual type of setting here. This is according to your desired title of font color, title font color, you can set like this. Body font color, this, content box background color, this you can all type of setting. Click here, going to save and going to update. After a few seconds we check which changes are occur here. Changes update. I am going to refresh the button. That's great. Heading color change because we are set the blue color. At this time we are going to change this look like this. Our settings change here. You can see and you will be enjoy the Avada setting according to our this. I am going to change and the setting here. You can also add different any type of element look like for your requirements. Like we are going to add here contour down here, contour down time, and you can set the different type of contour down here. You can set the heading text. Our visitor our last time visitor list. You can also set the any link here. Different type of setting you can set here. I am going to update this. Just wait please, system will be update this. We are adding the contour in our website. Wait please. Update successfully. Just refresh. We are going to add this. Our last time visitor is this. You can set this type look like this. Done. Another setting you can add more and press the element. You can add the different type of button here, button URL. If you want to redirect your website to any page, you can select here page any. Like we are going to add the simple page button. Set link, this add link you add here. Button text here. Move to simple page. Text transmission default uppercase. Normal we are use uppercase at this type. Button title attributes, we have no attributes here. Button target self, blank and lightbox. You can see if you will select the self, system will be show this your after linking click the button system in this screen. If you want to blank, this system will be show in next tab, next button. Alignment, text flow, left, right, center, we can set center. This is not special class, just say like this. Button look like this. I'm going to update. I'm going to press this and press the refresh button. System will be show the move to sample page. Click here. I will click here. System will be move us to sample page button. But at this time we are going to add and we are want to add here some space because there are no space available. I am going to add element. Image control box, audio block, content checklist. There are different available. Section separator. I will add this and press the save button. And I am going to add this to after before this. You can add different type of section to one place to another place. Press the update button. After a few seconds, system will be update this. Press here and press the refresh button. We will get add this done. This will be separate of a different. Okay, wait please. We are working on more on it. Edit. top bottom. We are going to top bottom this. Done. This is done. Border, we are going to add more border color white. Visibility, okay, save. After this we are going to change the color of this button. Uppercase, button text, button target, button attributes, alignment, visibility. No settings are available at this time, but we are going to set this in future. I am update here. After the update I am going to press the, a few seconds system will be update this. Wait please, system update successfully. I am going to refresh button. Oh, system will be update this. Okay, let's see. Working on more. Press the element button. Code block, if you need any block of codes here, like you have HTML code, any other special code for your working purpose, you can add the code. But at this time we are need counter box. Number of columns 4, counter box font color green, okay. Counter box value font size 50, okay. Icon color look like we are going to add the counter color, like we can clock a clock. We are going to show counter no counter clocks. You can add the according to your desire. We are use this. Save. Press the refresh button. Counter add here. Your content goes here like 21. We are going to again refresh this. 20. Done. More setting on the counter. We'll press this.